This beautiful two-story home is nestled in the Highlands area of the Santa Monica Mountains. The entranceway is a lovely courtyard and private garden. As you enter, there's a small den to your left with one of 4 fireplaces and creme of marfil marble flooring. To your right is a small powder room, and tucked in the back corner is an extra bedroom and bath, right next to a laundry room. The dining room is made especially elegant by recessed lighting and surround sound stereo. The spacious kitchen has all updated appliances and granite slab countertops. Outside is a pool spa combo and a truly breathtaking view. The living room has a gas-burning fireplace, surround sound system, media cabinet, and full wet bar. There are 2 extra bedrooms located upstairs at the end of the hall. Each have lots of closet space, large bright windows, and they share their own private bathroom. The master bedroom has an incredible view of the mountain valley and the Pacific Ocean. The room is extremely open and spacious, has large closets, and its own private fireplace. The master bathroom is also extremely spacious. It has a bidet, his and hers sinks, flat screen TV, full tub and shower surrounded by marble stone slab. Next to the master bedroom is an additional space that could be used as an office or a den. And this room also shares one of the most beautiful views along the California coast.